Welcome to my channel. Why used engines fail after installation and how to troubleshoot early warning signs. Step 1. Bad installation causes damage. If bolts, mounts, or wiring aren't installed correctly, the engine can vibrate or overheat. Always double-check installation and torque settings. Step 2. Oil problems are a major cause. Low or dirty engine oil can quickly damage internal parts. Check oil level and quality right after installation. Step 3. Cooling system issues lead to overheating. A blocked radiator or bad coolant flow can overheat the engine. Inspect hoses, radiator, and coolant levels. Step 4. Ignoring warning lights is risky. If the check engine light turns on, don't ignore it. Scan for error codes and fix problems early. Step 5. Strange noises are early warning signs. Knocking, ticking, or grinding sounds may mean internal damage. Stop driving and inspect immediately. Step 6. Smoke from exhaust signals trouble. Blue or white smoke can indicate oil burning or coolant leaks. Get it checked before damage spreads. Step 7. Fuel system problems affect performance. Dirty injectors or weak fuel pumps can cause misfires. Clean or replace faulty parts. Step 8. Watch for fluid leaks. Oil or coolant leaks after installation can lead to engine failure. Fix leaks as soon as you notice them. Step 9. Monitor engine temperature regularly. If the temperature gauge rises too high, stop the vehicle. Overheating can ruin a used engine quickly. Step 10. Schedule an early inspection. After installation, have a mechanic inspect the engine within the first few weeks to catch hidden issues. Thanks for watching. Follow these tips and catch problems early to keep your used engine running strong and reliable.